sleeping. You can probably hear sirens in the background. It's like 6:30 in the morning. I've been up for an hour. I usually get up at 5:30. I'm just sitting outside with my dog and all my plants, and I'm actually knitting this morning. I started helical knitting for the first time. I'm helical knitting 2 at a time, which is a tangle of yarn. But these are so cute. I'm loving how they're turning out. Yeah, so just having a nice morning. It has been so hot here lately, but yesterday and today it's a nice cool morning, and for July in Tennessee, that's crazy. So it feels really great. It's actually Independence Day today when I'm filming this, and I'm just working on some striped socks, and I think they're turning out so cute. You can tell it's Independence Day. I actually have red on my other hand, my fingernails. Yeah, so I'm just sitting out here having a nice, relaxing morning. I haven't been able to wear a sweatshirt in so long, so it's really nice. Having a good little morning. My husband's sleeping in. He got home late last night from work. So, yeah, just having a relaxing morning with the dog. She's just chewing on a piece of bark that she found. untangled my yarn now. Having 4 balls of yarn going at once is probably not the best thing to knit. 2 socks at a time helically with 4 balls of yarn. And it's not for the faint of heart. I just stop every few rounds and untangle it like that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed just that simple, watching me knit a few rounds outside early this morning. Come on, pup. She's revving up to jump up here again. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed that. It's just a quick little video showing you this beautiful, beautiful morning here on my little porch area. Say goodbye, Bee. She's still trying to chew on that piece of bark. I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.